Here on this digital board, you can see some of the questions are displayed. And before I talk about this question, I always say you must stay with me with a pen and paper. So are you ready? Okay. Hello and welcome to English session with me Rajiv, and today we are going to talk about the past questions that were asked in Cmat. As you know people that Cmat has begun from 2002, and as it began from 2002 we have some of the questions. So now here on this digital board you can see some of the questions are displayed. And before I talk about this question, I always say you don't stay with me without copy and ball pen. So you must stay with me with a pen and paper. So are you ready? Okay, if you are ready, then you can see some of the questions over here, and it is your time to say which is the correct answer. So let's go with question number 11. The question number 11 is catastrophe. What is catastrophe? I have already told you in my previous video, you can apply the formula also in order to get this answer. Catastrophe is something negative, right or not? It is something negative. If the word is negative, synonym would also be negative. If you go in that way, then boon is positive, it can't be the answer. Favor is also positive, it can't be the answer, and blessing is also positive, it can't be the answer. So option B, C and D are gone. Left option is what? Disaster. So correct answer of catastrophe is disaster. Is it clear to you? Fine. Now if you don't know its meaning नजान्दाखेरि पनि, you have come up with the answer. Is it clear? So let me tell you, catastrophe is related with disaster. Okay, it means to destroy something. So you can apply that formula. You know, whenever you are attempting this antonym and synonym section, you can attempt it in two ways. Look at over here, I write it. Either you feel, I'm sorry, feel is wrong. Either you feel, or either you go for the form. Now what is feel? Either you feel whether the word is positive or negative. Feeling, two of the feeling, positive or negative. Either you feel it positive or negative. And whenever we talk about form, look at its word. Either it is adjective, adverb, verb or noun. Okay, so you can answer the questions depending upon the feeling and depending upon the form. So as you have already known this thing, let me rub all this thing over here like this. Okay, it is easier to rub. Now you have come up with the definition of catastrophe, because catastrophe gives you negative feeling, and if the word is negative, synonym would also be negative. So correct answer is disastrous. Is it clear to you, everybody? Good. Now talk about this second one. Second one is alien. What is the synonym of alien? Okay, if you know, then no problem. If you do not know, again I will take you back to my previous video. In my previous video, I have taught you, if you do not know the word meaning, if you do not know the meaning of that particular word, then try to contextualize it with the word that you have heard. Alien, sable sinnu bhako cha. Who is alien? Alien means someone who comes from outer space. Jadu भनेर हेर्नु भएको छ नि. कोही मिल गयामा बुझे कोही मिल गया. So in कोही मिल गया, you can find a jadu over here. Okay, he looks like this. This is his hood. Okay, and this is this jadu. Look at over here. आँखा पनि यस्तो छ, मुख कस्तो छ, यहाँ बीचमा एउटा टन टन टन. This is alien, right? यति त आयो. This is alien. If it is alien means, तपाईहरुले जानेको alien means someone who come from outer space. Someone who comes from outer space is certainly not a known face to you. It is not known face to you. It is unknown face to you. It is a stranger. It is a stranger. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R, stranger. So check it out. The correct answer is stranger. Did you get it? Fine. Now next word is docile. Next word is docile. I think you can easily see. No sir, we cannot see. No problem. I take it up. Okay. So it is docile. Docile means what? Docile means discipline. Is it clear? Docile means obedience. लेख्नु पर्छ. Docile is discipline. आफै लेख्दै जानुहोस्. बलपेन छ है. Docile is discipline. Docile is obedience. Docile means someone who does what order is given to him or her. Is it clear? So in that way, docile is obedience. Obedience हो भनेदेखि यहाँ दिएका मध्ये stranger obedience हुने कुरा भएन. नचिनेको मान्छेले तपाईले दिएको order लिदैन. Okay, inflexible. Okay, inflexible पनि हुने कुराहरु भएन. Determinant can't be. Correct answer is submissive. Now let me tell you. Submissive means someone who is very obedient, who is very disciplined. Is it clear to you? Who is very disciplined? Look at the condition of most of the Nepalese women. They are submissive in nature. They are submissive in nature. They are obedient. They are very, very obedient. यति सम्म obedience कि somebody अब तपाईले सुन्नु भएको छ नि आगो लगाइदिएदाखेरि पनि they are ready to be burned. यस्तो देख्नु भएको छ. They are submissive. So submissive means obedience. Obedient. Submissive means discipline. Discipline. Is it clear to you? So now we go with analogy. When we go with the analogy, let me tell you, in analogy, same trick I just want to go with. You have done some analogy in your verbal reasoning. गर्नुभएको छ. Verbal reasoning मा तपाईहरुले analogy गर्नुभएको छ. You have done analogy in verbal section. Analogy is matching, right or not? Analogy is matching. Analogy means, analogy को meaning लेख्दियौ. Analogy talks about closeness. Proximity, C-L-O-S-E-N-E-S, closeness, or it talks about proximity, nearness, nearness, nearness. It talks about your affinity. It talks about your affinity. It talks about your affinity, right or not? So, यस्तो खालको linkage गर्ने शब्द कहाँनेरि छ सर? यही रहेछ सर भन्नुहोस्. Correct answer is affinity. Correct answer is affinity. Is it clear? Very good. So, अरुकोबाट पनि गर्न सकिन्छ. We can write over here. So look at over here. Analogy has positive connotation. Analogy has positive connotation. यसबाट पनि गई हेरौं. Analogy has positive connotation. This person has negative connotation. This is written here. Disagreement has also negative meaning, and incongruity has also negative meaning. So can't be the answer. B, C, D can't be the answer. Correct answer is A. Very good. Now look at over here, equivocal. What is equivocal? Equivocal is someone who is very doubtful, who is in the state of dilemma, who does not know what to do, who is in a fuse, who is in the fog, who is in a horse, who is in the hazy condition. That is equivocal. So equivocal means someone who does not know what to do. So let me tell you, you will definitely be in the state of equivocal. You will be in the state of equivocal when you are going to select college. In selection of college, you will be in equivocal state. You will be in equivocal state. कसरी भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ होला? Wherever you go, whichever college you visit, they say only one thing. Our college is the best one. Our college is the best one. Best one. एउटा मात्रै हुने. तपाईं confused हुनुहुन्छ. You are in equivocal state. Equivocal means where you cannot determine which one is correct. If you are not in the position of determining correct one, then you are in the state of indeterminate. So correct answer is indeterminate. पाँचवटा पढाए तपाईहरुको जिब्रोको टुप्पोमा राख्नु होला. I have already told you. Hope you are keeping each and every word at the tip of your tongue. जिब्रोको टुप्पोमा राख्नु होला. रट्ने in my session के हुन्छ? Now or never. अहिले नै चाहियो मलाई. भन्नुस् analogy भनेको के हो? Sir, affinity भन्नुस्. Equivocal भनेको के हो? Equivocal भनेको के हो? Very good. In the same way, let's talk. Okay, फेरि माथि जानुहोस् र हेर्नुहोस्. Catastrophe means what? Catastrophe means disastrous. Alien means what? Alien means strange. Docile means what? Docile means submissive person. Done. यसै गरिकन पढ्ने हो. Now let's go up. Okay, I'm scrolling up this thing. Now in 2003 मा एन्टोनिम सोधो, सिनोनिम सोधेन, and 2004 मा सिनोनिम सोधेको छ. So what is this answer? We are going to learn. Ready everybody? Hope you are ready. Let's get started. Ovation को meaning आउँछ? Do you know the meaning of ovation? Do you know the meaning of ovation? You don't know. There is no problem if you don't know. Whether you know it or not, please raise your hand. How many of you know it? Fine. So I will tell you. के भनेको थिएँ formula. तपाईहरु, if you are watching my video directly this section, then I am telling you, my dear students, you are in wrong place. Why you are in wrong place? Because without watching the previous video, you should not have come over here. तपाईहरु यहाँ आउनु भएको हुनुहुन्थेन, तर आउनु भयो, केही फरक पर्दैन, जानुस्. कहाँ? previous video मा हेर्नुहोस्, त्यसपछि आउनु होला. यो कतै जाने वाला छैन. It is installed and downloaded right in your device, so there is no hurry. First, watch my previous video and only come in this section. This section is going to be very, very crucial one because this is the past questions of synonym. Okay, ल ovation को जो गरा आउनु भयो, गरा पनि आइसक्नु भयो होला. तपाईहरुका लागि म भन्दिउ, whenever we don't know, then I have already told you, try to connect that words with the words that you have heard. Give him a, now we will give him a standing ovation भन्छ. त्यति बेला सबै बसेका मान्छेहरु उभिन्छन्, नउभिएलान्. र पनि ताली त बजाउनुहुन्छ नि. Do you clap or not? Why do you clap? Because that is called appreciation. You praise someone. Ovation is refers to praising. You praise someone. So ovation stands for राम्रो, appreciation. Appreciation क्या हुन्छ? Revision हुँदैन. एगलाई अन्डा जस्तो, के को अन्डा जस्तो. Reception पनि भएन. Round applause भन्ने सुन्नु भएको थियो नि. Give him a round applause. Correct answer is applause. हेर्नु त कति सजिलो छ. सजिलो छ नि. It is very easier, and my dear students, and now I don't think I need to repeat these things now and again, saying that I will make your Cmat person, verbal ability person, a piece of cake. A piece of cake भनेको के हो? A piece of cake means very, very easy. Very, very easy. Fine. Now let's come to question number 12 of 2004. What is the word? Pronounce this word. Pronounce गर्नुभयो, फेरि pronounce गर्नुहोस्. फेरि गर्नुहोस्. ल फाइनली गर्नुहोस्. किन भन्दाखेरि नि धेरै जसोले dwindle भनिराख्नु भएको छ. साइलेन्स गर्नुहोस् डीलाई अब. This D is silence. अब पढ्नुहोस्. सर अब त विन्डल भयो. Yes, correct pronunciation of the word is windle. Windle भनेको के? अब फेरि तिम्रो जाऊ. You people go back to your college life and see there was a windle word. कति बेला? Nightmare life without fuel. याद आयो? Nightmare life without fuel. An essay by Isaac Asimov. त्यसमा यो windle भन्ने शब्द प्रयोग गरेको छ. Source of energy are dwindling away भनेर भनेको छ. त्यो भनेको के हो? Source of energy घट्दै गएको भनेपछि Windle means घट्नु भनेको शब्द कहाँ छ हेर्नुहोस् ल. सर घट्नु भन्ने शब्द चाहिँ मैले ए मा भेटे. Yes, correct answer is A. Very good. Okay. Now we are going with another word that is corroborate. अहिले फेरि यो रटिहाल्ने दुईटा रट्नुहोस्. What is ovation? Ovation भनेको के हो? Good. Applause. Windle भनेको के हो? Lation. Very good. अब फेरि तलतिर लिएर आउँदिन. अब म गए question number 13 मा. In question number 13, let me select this ball pen. Question number 13, you can see corroborate. Corroborate means fixed. Corroborate means confirm. भनिसके यहाँ छँदैछ. Corroborate is fixed and that is confirm. Is it clear to you, everybody? Very good. Now what is the meaning of loop-sided? What is the meaning of loop-sided? Loop-sided meaning is tilting from one direction to another. Tilting यतातिर ढल्क्यो उतातिर ढल्क्यो because it is lopsided. एकातिर मात्रै गइरहेको छ. That is lopsided. Is it clear? So सम्झिनुहोस् है त. Have you ever taken चामलको बोरा अथवा धानको बोरा in your bicycle को क्यारियरको पछाडि बाँधेर तपाईहरुले कहिले धानको मिलमा लिएर जानुभएको छ भनेदेखि हेर्नुहोस् जति प्याडल हान्दै हुन्छ त्यो धानको बोरा यतातिर ढल्किन्छ अनि तपाई यसको सिचुएसन भनेको बाइसाइकल कुदारी यस्तो हुन्छ. Okay, lopsided means tilted to one side. एकातिर भएको. त्यस्तो कहाँनिर छ हेर्नुहोस् unbalance. Okay, that correct answer is unbalance. Is it clear? Now another word is poster. Another word is foster. Foster भनेको के हो? Foster child तपाईहरुले पढ्नु भएको छ कहाँ भन्दै हुनुहुन्छ फेरि? हेर्नुहोस्, you have read this word where a child, okay, a child who waits. Foster child. Tammy भन्ने थियो, Tammy. There was a girl, okay. There was a girl whose name was Tammy. She was staying in a house and in a foster care center. So foster is not rear over here, not near is, but correct answer is encourage. Foster भनेको बढाउनु, बढावा दिनु. Okay, so बढावा दिनु भनेको encourage गर्नु, प्रेरणा दिनु, धकेल्नु, pushing. Okay, so 5 of the words we have done. I hope you have already gone with those 5 of the words. And let me ask you again, no problem. I'm going to ask you the questions that were asked in 2004, and without looking, tell me what is the meaning of ovation? Ovation. Fine. What is the meaning of Wendell? Very good. What is the meaning of corroborate? Very good. What is the meaning of lopsided? Lopsided ko meaning ke ho? Okay, unbalanced. Very good. Corroborate. Corroborate भनेको के हो? Corroborate भनेको confirm हो sir. त्यहाँ के लेखेको थियो? Confirm नै थियो. Very good, my dear students. You have done the best one. Now foster we have done it. Foster is to encourage. Now let's go up. 2004 we have done. Now see, now 2018, and this is the last session. Okay, last question segment I'm going to do. Nonsense is inconvenience. What is written over here? It refers to irritation. It refers to pain. It refers to irritation and it refers to pain. So you can find it over here. When do you feel pain? When do you feel irritated? Whenever you are not comfortable. Whenever you are not feeling convenience with some of the condition. Convenience ko bela ma navako bela ma, if you feel irritated, if you feel pain, then obviously correct answer would be inconvenience. Proprietor, I am the proprietor of this place. If I say that, what I am saying, I am the owner, I am the malik of this place. So proprietor answer is, synonymous word is, okay, owner. Now again look over here, question number 3, check it out. Yield is again repeated. Yield is to produce. I have already told you. Now needless to talk about more upon it. So correct answer is produce. Volatile character. Volatile भनेको चञ्चले, यता पनि जाने, उता पनि जाने, जता पनि पुग्ने. That person is volatile in nature. Volatile person is someone whom you cannot predict what he or she does. के गर्न सक्छ भन्ने कुरा पत्तै लाग्न सकिदैन. Such person is volatile one. So volatile means, okay, let's say एक ठाउँबाट अर्को ठाउँ गएर, it's like the bird of passage. So we can say if somebody's action, behavior, thought cannot be predicted, he is a volatile one. So in that way we can say that unpredictable is the correct synonymous word for the word volatile. Now tantrum, तेरो धेरै tantrum नदेखाए भन्छौँ नि हामीहरू. Tantrum, तेरो धेरै tantrum नदेखा भनेको के हो? तेरो धेरै temper नदेखा. Okay, तेरो धेरै temper नदेखा. So let me scroll it up whether 2019 would come or not. Over here I can see, right? You cannot see any of the other questions. So what now? Thanks for watching my video. Okay, it is always wonderful session with you all. Okay, catch you in next video. Till that time, it's me Rajiv Niroula who is saying have a nice time ahead. Bye bye. Namaste.